Hello everyone and welcome to another Prairie 3D demo. This time we're going to be going through a paved railway crossing and detailing some of the things that we can do in that situation. So I'm just loading up the LiDAR here. As you can see, this is the southwest end of Saskatoon, just past Blairmore. Loading up the LiDAR view, going straight into the camera mode here with our 360-degree pictures. You can see quite a bit of detail. These are 5 megapixel cameras each. I'm going to go into the LiDAR view. Now, each of these little dots that you can see, not the big blue ones, but the little ones, each of those is a GPS point relative to those pictures that I just showed you. So you can measure between those points. In this example, you could see we could do sight lines. We could do the height of the crossing guard. We could do the width of the road. We could do the width of the ditch. So right now I'm going to do the light post, just checking to see what the clearances are. It looks like it's about 5.24 meters, as you can see on the left side there. It tells you how high up it is. We also have GPS coordinates for each of those points. We have an easting, a northing, and an elevation. So if you wanted to, you could find grades, you could find distances, you could find slopes, whatever it is that you would need. And if I go into the camera view, you can see that I can still see that measurement in the camera view, so I can check that it's being measured properly. Another example I'm going to get to in a moment here. We're going to check the GPS point of the boxes here. So say if there was a repair that needed to be done, and I wanted to see this point here on the railroad, I wanted to know that this point needed repair. I could go and I could see the easting, the northing, and the elevation, and I could mark this for future people to use, saying this needs to be repaired. Go to this GPS point, and that is where the repair needs to be. These pictures in this LiDAR can be saved and can be compared year to year, so you can see any repairs or disrepair that it gets or falls into over the course of time. Just checking out the 3D view here. Going to move back a little bit. Now I'm going to check the width of the road. I'm going to go shoulder to shoulder for this one. You can do multiple points at a time, so if you wanted to get the exact profile of the road, you could do that. This is one of our more simple pieces of software we have, so if you wanted like a full profile, we have more in-depth software that can gather that for you a lot faster than this. And a lot more precise than this might be. But as you can see, you got the GPS points there, the width, so you could see what the grade was. Like that's obviously a straight plane because it's 2 points, but if I wanted to put a point in the middle, then I could get my slope of my crown. And that's all for today. Thank you.